Hi, my name is Jagger Yao. Now, I'm going to show you how to get started with my Smart Cat Healthcare app. First, the flow one is to go into the welcome page. Users can click the button Start to begin. Next, we go through flow 2, Connect Device. The step is optional, so users can choose to do it now or later. We start with a simple check to make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location are turned on correctly. Then we move to a quick guide that shows what needs to be checked on the smart device before connecting. When everything is ready, the app begins searching nearby devices. The user just presses a button on the device and brings the phone close to it. When the app is searching nearby devices, once the nearby device pictures appear, users can select them and confirm the connection with a quick code to verify the devices. After the connection is complete, the app shows a Connect Successfully screen. Then, we move to Flow 3, Build Cat Portfolio, which is also optional. It means user can finish it now or later. Here, the user can upload a photo of the cat. We ask for the best one to help the system recognize the cat clearly. Also, it is a way for owners to share their cat's fun photos. Then, the user selects the cat's breed from a list and fills in a few simple questions like the cat's name, gender, birthday, and weight. This data will be used to help system identify cats and analyze them based on each one's features. If the user prefer, they can skip this and do it later. Finally, once everything is done, the user can enter the main page and start exploring the app. Firstly, the user can view the homepage of the devices. If the user don't connect the app and device during the login process, they can also connect to the device by clicking on the Add button on the Device Manager page. The connection process is the same as the previous login process. Now, let's see how users can control the smart toilet and view the cat's usage history. On the device management page, users can see all devices that are connected and the running situation. And the page indicates device status such as whether there is any irregular problems in working devices. Then, flow 4 is that we click here on Smart Toilet to view more details about it. This will take us to the device working status page. We can see how many times it has been used and cleaned today. This will also tell user how much later it is left and if the waste storage bin is full, which reminds us user what time the waste need to be removed. What's more, there is data about internal temperature and average length of cat usage process, and there are buttons to restart and clean the devices. Next, we click here to turn to the device settings page. Here, users can turn on or off features like automatic cat recognition, automatic data updates, and notifications. Users can also change the light sets, clean models, which is very flexible. Now, let me show flow 5, how to check the cat usage history. On the daily use page, the user can see the total running time of the device on one day, the number of times the cat defecated, and how many cats have used the device. The card below shows each cat used the toilet on that day in an overview. After that, user clicks on the cat's name to display details such as weight, duration, and health score. It even provides a text that records the device's running history, such as Mimi visited the little box and how long it stayed. Meanwhile, The camera on device allows users to view videos and pictures of the cat using the device. Finally, users can check the calendar history page to view all of their cat's defecation activities and other information within the past few days or months. This helps users to easily check their cat's defecation behavior and notice any changes and irregularities. Now, I'm going to introduce another feature that is essential to users is the cat health portfolio. Let's see the flow 6. How the feature helps users check the health of each cat. On the cat portfolio page, users can see all their cats including basic information such as age, weight, and basic health status. If a cat has risk of diseases, warning signals will be displayed on the portfolio card. Users can click the warning signals to view a detailed diseases prediction report. Additionally, they can click on a cat to open a health report. On the health report page, users can see a clear health score, as well as warnings such as the label, potential diseases. They can also view average data such as duration of defecation, urine output, and weight trend for a day, week, or month. Clicking on the Health Advice button takes users to a page with clear personalized tips based on their cat's health status. Here, users can get advice such as adding wet food or avoiding spicy human food. They can also ask the AI for help or book a vet appointment directly from this page. There is also a disease prediction page that displays risk levels such as 89% chance or 32% of some cat diseases. At the same time, that displays irregular data that is evidence that leads the AI model to judge the cat has potential diseases. It also highlights irregular signals such as dark-colored waste or too frequent trips to the toilet. Users can also click a button to read advice, talk to the AI, or book an appointment with an online vet. This makes it easy for owners to understand their cat's condition and take early action to ensure their cat's health from professional support. Moreover, in the flow 7, users can upload cat photo to get professional support from AI model or online vets. In this step, users can use their mobile phone camera to take a photo of a part of the cat's body, such as the ears, eyes, and skin. The system will first display scan successful, and then users can add little description at the bottom of the page, such as which side of the cat's ear has problems, and then click Confirmed. Next, users will enter the analysis results page. Here, users can see the results of the analysis. For example, risk level, low risk, indicating that here is no serious problem now. The system will also show the specific location, such as outside of the left ear, and there are several reference pictures of the cat's ear. And there is observation details, which briefly describes the current observations such as white earwax buildup. Finally, users can see future care advice, which will give some care tips to users. If users want to know more, they can click the 3 buttons below to see health advice, get AI support, and book an appointment with an online vet. This feature is especially convenient for the cat owners who have questions about their cat's health but are not sure if they need to go to the hospital right away. And the flow 8 is if the user don't create cat portfolio during the login process, they can also do it by clicking on the add button on this page. The process is the same as the one in the previous login process. In addition, the flow 9 is that the app has several other features to enrich the user's daily care process. Users can view the social page to see what other cat owners are posting, such as a cat's funny photos or health experience. They can also leave comments and chat with each other. Then, in the flow 10, users can see the recommended vets on the vet service page and click on them to see their introduction services and availability. After selecting a suitable time, users can book an appointment. What's more, users can communicate with the vet online before booking, which is very convenient. And flow 11 is about that. There is a knowledge learning module. Users can see health-related content here, such as diet, diseases, cat emotions, and so on. Clicking on a topic such as emotions or diet will lead to more detailed content. Finally, the flow 12 is the personal settings page, where users can manage accounts, notifications, cat portfolios, change devices. In conclusion, every feature of this app is designed around the real needs of users, which helps cat owners to reduce stress and boost confidence, as well as making their cat's life safer, healthier, and better cared for. Thanks for listening. That is all the content I want to share with you.